Good day guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I will show you how to change taskbar alignment in Windows 11. So what does that mean? Pretty much, as you can see, I have my taskbar and my start button and my icons right at the center of the screen. And if you guys want to bring back the old or older Windows 11 and Windows 10 and below style, where all of it was here on the left, you can actually easily bring it back. So right click on the taskbar, go to taskbar settings, you'll be taken here, then click on this drop down under taskbar behaviors. And then as you can see, taskbar alignment, this is the setting that will adjust our taskbar either in the center or on the left. Click on the drop down, press on left. As you can see, it's now moved to the left just like it was on Windows 10. And if you want center, which I use, I actually like it, you can center it right here and it looks kind of, more stylish and more premium. So easily done guys, enjoy. No other third-party tools required. If this video helped, like and subscribe.